In this video, we will show you how to create a meeting with Google Meet application. First, to open Google Meet, you can browse on Google and type Google Meet. Then you can open the Google Meet websites and you can click Start Meeting if you want to create a meeting. In here, you need to log in using your Google account. Simply just put your email and password. Now you are successfully create a meeting with Google Meet application. You can also using Google Meet with desktop application if you need just download via Google. Okay, and this is your link. You can share the link to others if you want to invite the others to join your meet. And that's all tutorial how to create a meeting with Google Meet application. Hope this video helpful for you.